Pagod ka na ba? Kahit may trabaho ka, parang kulang pa rin palagi? Kakasahod mo pa lang, bayad agad sa renta, kuryente, groceries at padala sa wala na halos natitira para sa'yo. Minsan, naiisip mo, ganito na lang ba palagi? Or maganda nga ang kita mo, pero wala kang time sa family. Pero alam mo, may paraan. Pwede kang kumita online habang nasa bahay ka. Mas may oras ka sa pamilya mo. So please guys, huwag niyong skip ang video na ito para malaman niyo kung paano ko nahanap ang magandang oportunidad na nakita ko. Ako nga pala si Jasmine Meneses, nakatira dito sa Amerika kasama ang aking pamilya. Originally po na taga Angeles City, Pampanga. Kumusta ko po kabalin? Dumating kami sa Amerika noong 2014. Akala namin madali ang buhay dito dahil kumikita kami ng dolyar. Pero hindi pala dahil maraming bills ang dapat bayaran. Ako at ang aking asawa ay may 2 o minsan 3 trabaho. Wala nang time sa family at sa isa't isa. Naghanap ako ng magandang paraan para kumita habang nasa bahay. And God answered my prayers dahil nakita ko ang video na ito gaya ng pinapanood mo. I was skeptical just like you. I had so many questions, but watch these ads. I got inspired by this Filipina who has the same experience with me. No time for the family, drowned in debt, multiple jobs, struggling financially. But after doing this business, she is now living with her best life with her family.
Dati, puro stress din ang buhay ko na kagaya mo. Pero dahil sa digital business na sanilihan ko 1 year ago, ay naging hayahay ang buhay namin. And yes, kabayan, after 1 year of doing this business, I am proud to say that I finally achieved my American dreams. Boss ko na ang aking sarili ngayon dahil nakapag-quit na po ako sa corporate job ko as accountant at nakapag-retire na po ako at the age of 32. Nakakapag-travel na po kami ng asawa ko anytime without worrying about bills. Nabayaran na din po namin ang mga utang namin. We have now savings in the bank. Yung dream home namin sa Pilipinas worth 5 million pesos ay nasimulan na rin na i-build at malapit na rin po siyang matapos. Nakakapagbigay na din po ako ng pang-suporta po para sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas more than ever before. At higit sa lahat, marami din akong natulungan na thousands of people across the globe at nabago ang buhay dahil sa business na ito at kumikita ako ng 5 figures every month kahit nasa bahay lang po ako. Kaya, laking pasalamat.
Nakaka-inspire talaga siya. Kaya gusto ko siyang tularan para maging successful din sa buhay. I reached out to her and asked, research and observe for people who are in this business. I joined right away when I discovered that a lot of people change your life too. And what I like about this is that you can work anytime, anywhere, as long as you have your phone or laptop with internet access. This is an automated system that works 24/7 even when you sleep. It is a federally tax registered. We receive 1099 form at the end of the year. I'm only 2 months with this business, but I already earning 4 figures. And I'm so grateful that I joined this online business. So guys, don't let doubt stop you in opportunities like this. It's not magic, but it's possible. So if you're one of those who want change, just visit my website, register, and watch the free 20 minutes webinar. Maybe this could be your turning point too. Thank you for watching and God bless.